welcome back to another episode on your Dr. DIY's channel. So in today's video, we are going to demonstrate to you what you can possibly do with bamboo material. So what you are looking here is a matured bamboo plant, right? So this plant has been harvested from the bamboo tree now. This is the bamboo tree. Originally the bamboo tree is green in color, so upon reaching maturity it will turn to light brownish color. Okay, so this indicate that there is a very little moisture content in the bamboo sticks, hence it is more high in strength and it can be used for various applications. So in today's video we are going to demonstrate now how you are going to possibly use this to build a bamboo hut. So guys, stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, so this is work in progress. The bamboo hut is being constructed. So the frameworks are carefully performed using bamboo material. As you can see, all the bamboos are cut accordingly and they are laid in a way to form the main truss of the bamboo hut. Okay, so the connection is very simple. Okay, we are going to cut a U shape now here, right, to support the other bamboo material. Why we are cutting a U shape is because this guy, it will sit relatively well in this supporting bamboo material, and we are using a nail just to hit it and to secure it so there is no any movement, right? What about the lower part? So the lower part now here is rested on a beam made of concrete. Okay, so end of the day we are going to box it using a cement. We will show you. So we have slightly raised the base in such a way that we have laid the bricks down here and we have cemented it. So the whole truss now is basically resting on these bricks, okay, reinforced with concrete. So we have made a square, right, square shape now, and also the roof frame has been done. So later we are going to lay sliced bamboo sticks as the roof of this bamboo hut, right? So this is the work in progress. We have laid a 10 mm 4 by 8 feet of plywood as the base of the bamboo hut, and this plywood has been treated chemically so that it will be resistant to water, moisture, and also to termites or whatsoever insects attack, right? And obviously at the end of the day we are going to coat it another time with a special chemical which is environmentally friendly to the earth and also to the occupants who are going to stay here. Okay, a quick update. So upon fixing one bamboo stick to another, and we apply a nail so that they will not move, we further reinforce it by a nylon string. Okay, simply you just tie it around, all around the junctions where all the bamboo meets, just for the sake of added strength. Okay, so this is very strong, right? You just have to go through a few rounds here and then you loop it around, and end of the day you just tie it, you tie a knot. So this is fully secured now, you can see. So we are doing this wherever there is a connection between one bamboo stick to another. So this is the corner. This is the junction, that is the corner, lower base, and this is the upper base. So we just are going to show you now. So since we are dealing with purely bamboo material and also some wooden based construction material, wiring or electrical wiring works becomes relatively easy because it is very easy to drill a hole, right, to make slots, to make grooves where you can hide or tuck in the wire neatly. Okay, so this bamboo hut is basically going to be powered up by a 240-volt electricity supply. So we have basically run, or the incoming of the electrical wiring works underground using a 10 mm in diameter of insulation pipe. So the wiring is here. You can see we have already done the plug system. Okay, so basically we are going to put in, this is the switch for the hut, and you can see we have relatively drilled a hole where the wires are going to come out, or we are going to put in a light and so forth. So the wires are basically going in here, right? It's going to come out from this pipe and relatively go up, and there will be a light, followed by, we are going to put in another hole there, okay, to get the fan in and also the roof lighting system. So this is the current work in progress. Okay, so now we have already fixed the door frame. This is a standard door frame mounted on the bamboo frame, right? Why we are using this door frame is because it is easy to fit a relatively available custom wooden door which is available in the market. However, we will try our best to fabricate our door using bamboo material. Okay, we will see what we can do about it, because we want to maintain the authenticness of this bamboo hut. Okay, so now we are doing the roof, or part of the roof has been installed. As you can see, before we install the sliced bamboo sticks has the roof of the bamboo hut, first we place a water resistant mat on the bamboo truss. Okay, this water resistant mat is available in your local hardware shop. Okay, it is made of a heavy duty material such that inside it is more like a velvet or a fabric which is waterproof material, namely is to absorb the sound, or has a damping material, so you will not have any sound when you have rainfall or when you have a raining season, right? So it will act as a damping material, and also has an absorbent, okay, to absorb any sort of heat, okay, produced. However, this material is a very good material where it repels all the UV light and the heat and so forth, namely because on the other side of the material it is made of, so this is an aluminium sheet, aluminium coating, I will say, right? So this is an aluminium coating. It is 100% water resistant, and it repels all the UV light, all the harmful rays which is reflected by the sun. Okay, so upon placing this mat on the bamboo truss, we have now laid the shredded bamboo sticks as the roof of the bamboo hut. So this is the outcome, right? We have laid them in such a way that they overlap each other, because we want to maintain the look of the bamboo hut. Okay, so they are secured by means of adhesive glue, okay, relatively applied on the perimeter of these bamboo mats, and further reinforced by applying nails along the perimeter and also wherever needed. So this is the outcome of the bamboo roof. Obviously the same concept is applied on top there. So this is the outcome. So this is the view inside the bamboo hut. Okay, so we just left it open, right? We left it open, the view of the hut, so that obviously is relatively clean. Okay, so we left it open, you can see, right? Obviously this, you might be wondering what material is this. This is also bamboo. Okay, so we have obtained this also in a similar way how the roof is made, right? But we managed to come up with such a design whereby you just go into one another of the stripes. However, this consumed a lot of time, so we got our crew to do this, and we just simply just pasted it part of the wall of the bamboo hut. So this is the outcome. So this is a small scale, relatively powerful ceiling fan integrated with lights. Okay, so we need not to fix another separate point for the light. So this is like 2-in-1. It provides you wind and also light. So this is how it looks when the light is on, and this is how it looks when the fan is on, right? This fluorescent type of light is basically available in your local hardware, so you just have to just slide in, and obviously the wirings is connected to the switches here, right? So you can simply just control the light by means of turning on and off the switch. So this is how the light looks like. Right? Obviously you may improve the design. You may put a cover or a PVC, a see-through PVC sheet or a acrylite sheet to cover this. Okay, so we have basically finished the flooring using a panel board, right? These panel boards are 20 cm in width by 2 feet and is readily available in the market with different texture or different design, whereby the back of these panel boards have been installed by a special adhesive sticker. So you just peel off the plastic cover and you just stick it based on your own creativity how you want the texture to be. So in this case we have basically sticked all on the floor, has the flooring as you can see. Okay, so this is the flooring. So we have trimmed accordingly. Okay, we have trimmed accordingly to the door frame. So this is how it looks like, and we have finished the side of it using a skirting concept by applying a shredded bamboo material. Okay, so this is the skirting. Bear in mind this is 100% waterproof and termite resistance. Upon installing the door frame, we have also installed the door now. Okay, so this is a normal door, normal wooden door, just that we pasted shredded bamboo sticks on the door to give it the look of a bamboo wooden door. This is how it looks like. This is the inside of the door. Okay, so it closes relatively well to the wooden frame. Okay, you may lock your door and so forth. So the work is about to come to the end. Stay tuned for more posting. Okay guys, we have made a small bamboo like chandelier. Okay, and we have installed it at the front of the bamboo hut. It's very easy to do it. You have a bamboo stick, a hollow bamboo stick. You just put in a E25 type of bulb with the holder. So you close the hole with a see-through type of acrylite plate, and you will get a fully DIY bamboo chandelier. So let's see if we on how it looks like. So it goes like this. So we have installed a LED type warm light. Okay, we have completed the bamboo hut now. So this is the final view of our bamboo hut after the final work has been done, where we apply a final coat on the whole bamboo hut so that it is 100% water repellent, and it gives an added protection on the surface of the bamboo from weather resistant, right? So you can see it's all being coated by special type of shellac. And we made a small balcony at around the hut. Okay, there is a staircase going up. So this is the side of the hut. Okay, so the base basically has been totally concealed with concrete, okay, and raised up by means of bricks, as you can see. So this is the final view, guys. So if you got any comments, please leave your comments in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope Dr. DIY channel gave you an idea on what you could possibly do with bamboo sticks. So this is the final view, or the front view, of your bamboo hut. So guys, till we meet again now, checking out from your Dr. DIY's channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, right? If you are new, please subscribe, please support the channel, please leave a comment in your comment section below, and please give a thumbs up for the effort and the work have been conducted by the entire crew here. We really appreciate all their contribution. So till we meet again, checking out from Dr. DIY channel, thank you and have a blessed day.